How to turn on announce notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. Siri is an intelligent assistant that helps you find information and get things done. Siri settings allow you to control how Siri works, from voice activation and response to accessibility features, enabling you to manage calls, set alarms, get directions, play music, and more, all through voice or text commands. You can customize Siri speed, language, and even enable type to Siri for a silent interaction, and control whether it responds when your iPhone is locked. On this page, tap on Announce Calls. From here, turn on the Announce Notifications feature at the top. Following these steps, you can easily turn on Announce Notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.